In a small village nestled between the mountains, a legend lingered about the whispering woods, where trees could speak and share secrets. One crisp autumn morning, a brave girl named Elara decided to explore the woods, her heart racing with excitement. It looks so magical. I can't believe I'm finally here. As she ventured deeper, the sounds of the village faded away, replaced by soft rustling.
Who dares enter our realm?
Who dares enter our realm? A voice echoed, like the rustling of leaves.
It's me, Elara. I want to know your secrets.
In a clearing, she found the guardian of secrets, its voice deep and resonant.
I am the guardian of secrets. What do you seek, young one?
I want to know how to be brave.
Bravery is not the absence of fear, but the will to face it. The guardian whispered.
Secrets are not for the faint of heart. Are you prepared for what you might
Each
discover?
secret you learn will make you stronger. But remember, with knowledge comes responsibility.
I'm ready. Tell me everything.
Listen closely, Elara. Let me share the tales of those who came before you.
I'm ready. Tell me everything.
There was a storm that threatened our village. One brave soul stood against it, rallying the others to seek shelter together.
That's incredible. They fought for each other.
Exactly. And remember, bravery also means embracing your fears.
Thank you for sharing these stories. I feel different already.
Go forth, Elara. Share what you have learned and let the legend of the Whispering Woods live on.
With stories of courage echoing in her heart, Elara felt different, stronger, and wiser. From that day on, Elara became a storyteller, sharing the lessons of the Whispering Woods.
Let me tell you the tales of bravery that I learned.
The legend of the Whispering Woods continued, reminding everyone that bravery lies within us all.